nice and early. No movement, but a couple of hikers coming through. I like to aim my camera up and tell people I'm looking for woodpeckers, because I don't want to tell people that, there's a fox den, etc. nearby. I'm not trying to gatekeep, but protect. You just never know. People have different standards, so. And now we wait. As the evening progresses, it gets darker and darker until finally the Papa Fox shows. He kind of comes in, and the kids are very excited. He's a little bit on guard at first, and it takes him a while to kind of stop and relax a little bit, and he actually walks out onto what I like to call his favorite log, and the kids kind of like take turns trying to, see who's brave enough to make it all the way out, and just a really awesome scene, and we got some really cool shots. When he stops on this log, this is probably one of my favorite shots of any photo I've ever taken out here. Well, I mean, period, but definitely of the family. It's just so interesting with the composition, with the fallen down trees. It looks like he's standing on the log in the foreground. And I actually submitted this photo to a fine arts festival here in Southern Pines, North Carolina, here at the Campbell House, and I titled it The Father. And we actually won 3rd place in the show, so that was really cool. So seeing this footage and it just reminds me how magical this moment really was. This shot right here is a perfect example of what happens all of the time. I'm sitting here, I can't move, and I just need to move a smidge to the left, literally like 2 inches, and I can have a nice shot of all 3 subjects. And of course, if I move a hair, he's gonna bark. The kids are back to the den, sprinting, freaking out. He's out of there, and the whole moment's gone. So it's just one of those things that I really enjoy about being out here in wildlife photography, is that it's really not up to us when it comes to finding the shot. We're just here capturing the moment, and what happens is what happens. And if we capture something amazing, then good for us. Okay, just before I stepped into the leaves, I hear a grunt to my right. I'm not even kidding you, like 10 feet from my right. And I look to my right, and it's Mama. She snuck up on me. I don't know if she was actually like sneaking up on me. And then I hear one to my left where the babies are, and Papa was out, and he started barking at me. And then the kids ran inside, and so it's been about 20 minutes. No pups out, and I'm watching Mom and Dad sort of slowly make their way back to the den. So I'm going to try to use this as an opportunity to get some nice beauty shots of them without scaring them, but there goes my chances of getting close, today at least. So let's see if we can get some nice shots of Mom and Dad before it gets too dark. As the night progressed and Mom and Dad stayed on the outskirts, I was able to get in a little bit closer to get some nice shots of the kits playing around, and there's even like a dead chicken, probably from a local farm nearby. Really happy with some of the shots that we got. And then as Papa kind of came through and then made his way out again, I decided that would be a good time for us to get out of there for the day. So thank you guys for watching today. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.